Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a discount or promo coupon code, this video is for you.
In this video, we're talking about Wisehosting. If you've ever wanted to create your own Minecraft server without dealing with complicated setup, Wisehosting makes it simple. Whether you play Java Edition or Bedrock Edition, you can launch a server in minutes and start playing with friends right away. With one-click installation for mods, plugins, and over 15,000 modpacks, customizing your Minecraft experience is easier than ever. Wisehosting also includes a powerful game panel that lets you manage your server, install different versions, monitor players, and control everything from one place. And if you ever need help, their 24/7 technical support team is always available. Ready to start your next Minecraft adventure? Choose Wisehosting and get your server online today.
To get started, visit the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.